8th of August, Washington summit completely changed the region of the South Caucasus. And Azerbaijan won the war. Our intention was to win the peace. I think that we have won the peace. And Washington summit, and we also thankful to the United States government and also President Trump and his entire team and United States government for providing the political backing and political support to advance this process of the peace. And Armenia and Azerbaijan. Currently, as it was said by President Ilham Aliyev, we are learning to live under the peace. Because since the independence of the two countries, we didn't know what does it mean, the peace. Still, we are in the process of defining the peace. It's very easy to define the war because it's about the blood, destruction, and all of these horrible things. But in the meantime, it's very difficult to define the peace and to get adapted to live under the peace conditions. Currently, Armenia and Azerbaijan, we are living under the peace. And from Azerbaijan's side, our intention to consolidate peace on the ground and to make it eternal and to have a long-lasting effect for the entire region of the South Caucasus.